can eat this. It's so good.
That?
めっちゃ美味しい。
This top part?
Yeah.
You know, last year I came to Japan and we went to this restaurant called Denny's.
Oh.
Have you heard of it?
I've heard
It's an American restaurant.
Really?
Yeah, Denny's. Denny.
I know Denny's.
The yellow logo with the red letters.
It's yellow?
I think it's yellow.
I think it's red.
You think it's red?
Denny's でしょ?
Yeah, Denny's.
Denny's is so famous.
Oh, really?
I think
In Japan?
we think the different thing.
You're thinking of different things.
Wait, Denny's でしょ?
Restaurant, right?
Yes.
American restaurant, right?
I think it's not American restaurant. Not there. Oh, it's yellow.
It is yellow. See,
This
I
one?
told you. Yeah, this one.
Wait, this one is from America?
It's from America, I think.
Really?
They have a lot of it in America.
You know, it's a chain restaurant
Yeah.
in Japan.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's from
It's also a
America.
chain in America. Yeah.
そうなんだ.
Yeah. But it's interesting because in Japan, they sell Japanese food too. You know? Actually, they even sold dandanmen. But dandanmen is actually a Chinese...
Tantanmen.
Tanmen. Tantanmen. Oh, okay.
Not dandan.
Oh. Sometimes they write it as D. I think so. Well, you're the Japanese person. But
No, but it's okay. Tantanmen.
tantanmen. Actually, that sounds more right.
Yeah.
But you know, it's a Chinese food.
そうね.
I think in Chinese it's probably dandanmian.
Oh.
So maybe that's why. Yeah. Dandanmian.
Dandanmen.
Yeah. So it's funny because we were eating Chinese food at a American restaurant in Japan.
Wow, I didn't know that Denny's from America.
There's a lot of places here that are from America, you know? Like Baskin Robbins
Yeah, I know.
and of course Krispy Kreme,
Starbucks.
McDonald's, Wendy's, Burger King.
You know, even my place, like countryside, we have Denny's.
Really?
Yeah.
You know, I haven't seen any Denny's this
Chiba?
trip. Yeah, in Chiba.
Oh,
Yeah, we had it in Saitama last year.
yeah. Okay, so let's speak in Japanese.
Japanese. Really? 難しい.
Just a little bit.
I'll try. You have to speak slowly though.
Okay.
Yeah, ゆっくり.
Okay, ゆっくりね。渋谷に行ったことありますか？
ないです。
おー。
初めて、今日は初めて来ました。
Okay. 日本で一番好きな場所はどこですか？
一番好きな場所。名古屋
おー。名古屋？
かな？
おー。なんでですか
1000年
？1000年？
Last year?
去年。
去年名古屋に来ましたね。綺麗な街と思いました。
すごい。全部合ってる。
You said I did good? ありがとう。
上手。
言語は難しい。
じゃあ最後に I want to ask one question.
Okay.
So what do you think is the most effective way to improve language?
I think the most effective way is to have determination.
Determination.
Because I think even if your methodology is not completely correct, as long as you are very determined, then you will learn. But I think for people who are they want to learn the language, but they like half committed, they're not completely committed, then it'll be very challenging for them. Yeah. And so I think the language learning process, of course you have to practice immersion, like listening, and if you can go to the country, of course, that's so much, but actually, I learned so much during my time here. But even if your methodology is not completely correct, then as long as you're determined, you will eventually get to where you want to be. I think it's all about mentality.
Mentality.
Yeah, mentality.
This is the first time to me, like, the way to improve language is determination. It's interesting. Yeah, but I agree.
Like, even if you can only do 1 hour a day, or even if you don't get to practice every day, but as long as you always believe that you are learning the language, then you will continue to return to it over and over and over. And eventually you will learn, and you will find the ways to improve your study methods.
Nice. Thank you. So I will try to be able to speak Korean. For you, Japanese?
Yeah. Actually, my dream is to be able to speak Korean, Chinese, and Japanese all like fluently.
Yeah, you can do it.
Yeah.
Okay, so 頑張りましょう。
頑張ります。
Okay, so this is the end.
This is the end.
Yeah, thank you so much. I don't know if this mic works or not, but I hope we can make good video. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.